I gave to you. It's a shame you didn't keep it. Alicia, I'm the man. Yeah, I said it. Bitch, I'm the man. Don't you forget it. The way you walk, that's me. The way you talk, that's me. Hey, BZ Kurdistan. Greetings, that's me. J Munchie up. Universal Empire, that's me. You know what I'm saying? Hey, BZ Kurdistan, you know what I'm saying? You already know. Hey, Swapas. Hey, Zor Swapas. You know what I'm saying? You already know we back in Kurdistan and we are about to get it to Miss Halwest, Baxawan, or Baxawan, I think that's how you pronounce it. Baxawan. Oh, that's her last name? Halwest Baxawan. You know what I'm saying? I don't know the name of the song because the title is not in the title section. So anyway, this is Kurdish Munchie TV. You're now ganging with the Kurdish gang. Shout out to all my beautiful Kurds. You know what I'm saying? Shouts out. Oh, look at those flowers. So he's inside a greenhouse. Okay. Beautiful flowers. You got the beautiful parrots. You know what I'm saying? So is they in the maze? They in the maze right now? I like that shirt he got on too. Bile. That was nice. Nice. Okay, Mr. Halwest, you know what I'm saying? Bahawan, you know what I'm saying? You already know. And you're not ganging with the Kurdish gang. You know what I'm saying? Hey, if you enjoyed this reaction video, make sure you share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. You know what I'm saying? I'm Jay Munchie. This is the Universal Royal Empire. Thank you guys for watching. This is Kurdish Munchie TV. You know what I'm saying? You're not ganging with the Kurdish gang.